Encoding an image file with base64. I want to encode an image into a string using the base64 module. I've ran into a problem though. How do I specify the image I want to be encoded? I tried using the directory to the image, but that simply leads to the directory being encoded. I want the actual image file to be encoded. Edit. I tried this snippet. But I get the following error. What am I doing wrong?
I'm not sure I understand your question. I assume you are doing something along the lines of: you have to open the file first, of course, and read its contents. You cannot simply pass the path to the encode function. Edit. Okay, here is an update after you have edited your original question. First of all, remember to use raw strings. Prefix the string with R when using path delimiters on Windows to prevent accidentally hitting an escape character. Second, fills image.open either accepts a file name or a file like, that is, the object has to provide read, seek and tell methods. That being said, you can use cstr-inio to create such an object from a memory buffer.
The first answer will print a string with prefix b. That means your string will be like this: b apostrophe or underscore string. To solve this issue, please add the following line of code. I have experienced this while converting image to base64 string. You can take a look at how I removed that from there also. Link is here: image to base64 string and fix b from prefix.
Borrowing from what Ivo van der Veek and Nibbler have developed earlier, this is a dynamic solution. You can then decide to compile the output image file with Python to make it cool. With this method, you can bundle all your graphics into one module.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.